Until October, we sold over 1.5 million buns.
And today I'm on a road trip in the rain and I'm on the way from Fredrikstad to Dombås. And I'm going to see if there's any fun places to stop on the way. And I've been told there's a place called Bolleland, which means Bunsland, and where they actually have sold 1.4 million buns this year. So I'm going to have a look, and I've been told there is lots of buns there. And now I've reached Bolleland, and as you can see, their goal this year is to sell 1.8 million buns. And in Norway, when you're on a road trip, you have to have petrol for the car. And in Norway, everything is self-service at the petrol stations. So here I'm filling, but luckily we have a roof, so I don't get wet in the rain. So now I'm finally here outside Bolleland, and it's going to be so fun and interesting to go inside and have a look. There you can see the entrance to Bolleland. And here you can see the different types of buns they have. Raisins, chocolate, wheat, Raisin King, chocolate with vanilla, caramel, cinnamon, and different types of buns. And now I finally found all these buns, so I'm going to buy some and taste them. Here you can see them. Really nice, different buns. See, they have different offers, so the more you buy, the less you pay per bun. And I was so lucky to meet Bjørnar, who works here. And how many buns have you sold this year?
Well, until October, we sold over 1.5 million buns.
That's a lot of buns.
That's a lot of buns.
Yeah.
So we have a variety of buns, as you can see over there.
Yeah.
All from chocolate vanilla, just plain chocolate, and raisin and cinnamon, basically.
Yeah. And which is the most popular one?
I would say between chocolate and chocolate vanilla is probably the most favorable from the customers. But yeah.
And why do you think this place has got so popular with buns?
First of all, the buns taste quite nice. We sell over 1.5 million every year, so that's probably means that we have a solid product. And also we have that marketing that's helped a little bit over the last year with social media and all of that.
And here, they're actually been so popular, they're even selling clothes, which says Espa-boller, which means buns on. And caps. And even Espa buns underwear. Maybe I should buy an underwear for myself. And there are t-shirts, umbrellas, sunglasses, and socks even, and gloves. Where did you get the idea to this special merchandise?
And that was just our boss that thought it might be a good idea. Yeah. So we're kind of a big brand in Norway. A lot of people have heard about us. And so when you're a big brand, people have no problem using, let's say, our logo. So in July, I think we sold almost 500,000 Norwegian kroner. So that's a lot of money for just plain merchandise.
In Norway, everyone loves to drink coffee, so all the petrol stations, they have coffee that they sell. But here they have coffee in Espa cups. So here's the coffee machines. But I haven't started to drink coffee yet. And they're selling different things here. Honey, goat cheese, red wine sausage, carrot marmalade, body lotion, hand lotion, apple butter, dried apple snacks, and here, and apple juice, raspberry juice, blackcurrant juice, yeah, this is actually blackcurrant juice. It's actually very famous in Norway. Or if you have a sore throat, it helps a lot. Really nice also. Here you can see them. Really nice, different buns. I'd like to have some buns, 2 wheat buns, 2 raisin buns, and 2 chocolate buns.
2 raisin, 2 chocolate, and what was the first ones?
Plain.
Plain?
Yeah.
That will be 75.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, thank you. And look, really nice Espa Buns caps. Really nice merchandise they have. And you know, the people, they were so nice there, and it's really nice visit. So now I'm going to my car and I'm going to eat the delicious buns. And I'm going to drive further on my road trip, and let's see where we end up. Yeah, hello, and you can see these caps. It was so nice. It's actually the first time I've ever been given anything when I just showed up and, you know, made a video about the place. And, you know, I never tell people that I'm coming. You know, now I'm coming to make a video. They didn't even know, and they were so nice to me, and it's really nice. And I have to say, these buns, they're absolutely delicious. Then the buns with the raisins, they are my favorite. So I can really understand why they sell so many buns per year. 1.5 million this up to now. I'm aiming for 1.8. So anyone can help them? 1.8. And it was quite a long drive to drive all the way to Dombås, so I ended up at Otta instead. So now I'm at this Thon Otta hotel, and I'm just going to show you the room to show you what the Norwegian hotel room looks like. Here is the hotel room. Here is the bed. And there's a place to sit here. You can see here they have a TV and they have a water kettle. They don't have a fridge. See how the bathroom looks like. Here's the bathroom. Decent enough. Not so very big, but sufficient. You can see in Norway now, you don't get this soaps you can take with you. Just have, well, it saves the environment, but you know, the receptionist, he was so nice. He gave us good service, you know, and was very friendly, so we're happy with that. And the room, you know, it's clean, it's decent, and it's comfortable beds. And I wish there was a fridge here, but you know, Norway is becoming more and more difficult to actually find a hotel that has a fridge. But I'm really looking forward to the breakfast tomorrow. It's going to be fun. And also, if you come here to Otta, remember that most of the restaurants in this town, for some reason, they close at 21. Even on a Saturday evening I'm here, and they have closed at 9 in the evening. So, come before if you want to have dinner here.